finally got it off. My hero.
Harry, we've got to destroy it. It's too dangerous. I don't want you to lose yourself like I did.
Pete, please.
You don't understand. Connor said it was...
I saved your life! And you won't save mine? Do you want me to die?
Harry, are you... Oh, God.
Harry.
No! Don't hurt him! Stop! Non-lethal! Just get it off of him! On your knees! Hands on your head! Get back up in here now! What is that?
The hell with non-lethal! Fire everything!
Harry, stop! I feel so good. I've never been so secure. I'm number one. And so does Peter.
Got no way out! Grenade out!
Look all the work we're doing. I'm exploring every possibility there is. The failures we've had, they're normal. They're normal, Harry. And the important thing is, we only need to succeed once.
You're only hurting yourself! I'll bring him down!
Lock down the whole building!
Tell the other floors to evacuate. There's nowhere else for you to go, Harry. Just stop. I can save you. Where does that lead me? Get everyone into the atrium now!
He's here! Light him up! I got a shot!
Taking so long!
Harry, I screwed up. I knew this secret cave is going to be bad, and I never should have brought it anywhere close to you. I'm sorry. This is all my fault. Not yours. Not yours.
Right in my sight! Throwing grenade! Don't make us break out the hard stuff! He doesn't even care! Taking a shot! This doesn't work! Plastic grenade! Firing! You know you're not doing it! Move back! Firing! Don't shoot the hostage! That is fast done! Why is this taking so long? Put it together! Think I'm lined up? Enough messing around!
Well, they're flying around out there. That ours? Gentlemen, no!
I'm not getting out of here!
There are people outside trying to get to you. It's safe in here. If you really ever get into trouble, I can make it go away. Nothing will happen if you just stop now. Why would you say something? Talk to me, Harry. I can fix this. He saved me. He saved you.
Throwing grenade! Just keep shooting! You know you're not getting out of here!
Harry, don't!
This might work!
kill you out there!
Is that all you can do? Or is there more?
Strength? Is it the size of it?
No, it's something else. Something better.
Look at that! Not even a whisper of fear. There's no need for that.
Come! You fight me now!